Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your X and Y data are clean and adjacent. You want numbers only and consistent ranges. Once done, click the cell where the slope will appear and note the exact range addresses like A2, A11 and B2, B11. Make sure to remove headers from selected ranges or include them correctly in formula arguments. Now, you're ready to enter the slope formula. This first actionable step prevents errors later and speeds calculation. You type equals slope, B2, B11, A2, A11 directly into the selected cell. Sheets compute slope as rise over run across the paired ranges. If you need extra statistics, use equals index, linest, B2, B11, A2, A11, one which returns the slope from linest output. This gives more control. Once calculated, format the cell to show sufficient decimal places so you can interpret precision. Make sure ranges match exactly and lock them. You validate results by cross-checking the slope against a scatterplot trendline. Insert chart and add a linear trend line to visually confirm direction and steepness. If you see #div/0 or #n/a, inspect for blanks, non-numeric values, or a single data point and correct the ranges. Make sure to use absolute references like $1.02, $1.11 when copying the formula. One key troubleshooting tip: recalc or refresh the sheet after data edits to ensure
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.